Hi friends, how are you guys today? I'm feeling great. Do you know what's the topic today? You must have read it, right? You can be a millionaire too. Isn't that amazing? But you know how? Alright, let's get it on. Alright, isn't it amazing? You, me, you and you can be a millionaire. And it doesn't need much work. Surprising? Yes. To some maybe, but I have done the math. Even if you start with a pay of only 2,000 ringgit a month, your monthly pay is 2,000 ringgit a month, you can still at the end, by your 60 years old, by the time you turn 60 years old, and EPF gives you about 5% annual return per year, and you do not touch. Alright, that is a very critical thing that you mustn't do, is you mustn't touch your EPF, and you can be a millionaire by the time you turn 60. Wow, right? Isn't that amazing? But do you think you can do it without touching it, without taking out for housing, for education, for when critical things happen? Like COVID. If you didn't take out your money, you, alright, you, me and everybody has the potential to be a millionaire. Would you like that? No? You don't want to be a millionaire? You'd rather spend it today? Well, that's up to you. But if you think for retirement, 1 million would be enough, then why wouldn't you want to be a millionaire? Wouldn't it be great? Well, that's totally up to you. And if you are a couple, and each of you have 1 million, that means you have 2 million. Do you think that'll be enough for your retirement? Well, that's entirely up to your lifestyle, how you intend to spend, and how you tend to live when you are retired. So you need to know what kind of lifestyle, where are you going to stay, what are you going to do when you are retired, when you're no longer working. So you need to figure out what it is. Don't wait until you're 59 to think about this, to even plan about this. No. Now, or even last year, or the best time to start. When is the best time to start? The best time to start is when you started working. But well, you've already worked 10, 20, 30 years. Then the best time was yesterday, and the next best time is today. So, plan out, think. If you are unsure, you can get friends who are more knowledgeable about this, financial matters, or the best, even if you are able to, get financial advice from experts, from licensed financial planners, from certified financial advisors. At least you have peace of mind and knowing that if you are actually ready to be retired and no longer working. Alright guys, this is me. I'm Adlina Azmi, a licensed financial planner. Alright guys, this is high five for you guys for improving your knowledge and trying to improve yourself for now and for later. So don't ever think anything you learn is a waste of time. It's always good to have more information and learn and keep on learning. Learning never stops. Remember that. Alright, bye guys.